Now, you can scroll through social media today, and you can see that there's a lot of people excited by the fact that Hycroft Mining was able to go out and raise roughly $140 million through equity issuance. What does this mean? This means that they issued additional stock, they diluted their shareholders in order to raise an additional $140 million. Now, Adam Aron is very excited about this, and in his tweets, he shows you that AMC used their skill set in order to do this and take Hycroft Mining to the next level. What is AMC's skill set? It's not running theaters. It's not supply chain integration. It's not managing real estate across the country and across the world. AMC's skill set is diluting shareholders to raise capital. I mean, he said it himself. Now, of course, I am a little salty about this. I think that AMC's skill set should be focused on running more efficient theaters, raising revenue, and making sure that AMC does the best that AMC can, not using retail investors as their personal bank accounts. And it begs the question, guys, how many more millionaires do we have to make even bigger millionaires before retail gets its shot at a short squeeze? So I want to talk about that in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, get you guys 5 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade gets you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And of course, you get crypto exclusive exchanges down there as well. But guys, I know you can see that Adam Aron, he's excited about this investment. And I know you can see that the stock price of Hycroft Mining is going up based on the publicity and based on the amount of retail investors that are seeing a stock and an opportunity to make some big swings and some volatile swings. But there's more to it than that. You know, we've been here for a year plus, and time after time, it seems like the executives, the insiders, the businesses are the ones that are gaining off of this squeeze play, and retail is just being called savior. Retail is just being called the good guy that is making sure these companies stay in business. Listen, I would like to be known as a good guy, but I'm not here to save every single company, and I am not here to make sure millionaires earn millions of more dollars. I am here to watch AMC Entertainment squeeze in price so that the hedge funds have to cover their short shares, and then the price goes astronomically high, and we all walk away with the money that we came here for the AMC stock short squeeze in the first place. Great. Hycroft Mining has enough to meet their debt obligations right now. I think that Hycroft Mining should have done that by digging gold out of the ground, digging silver out of the ground. I have no problem with businesses starting and businesses failing if they can't generate enough revenue to cover their costs. And it does irk me to see Adam Aron out on Twitter celebrating the AMC's entertainment skill set. And AMC Entertainment's skill set being defined as being able to raise capital. Guys, Adam Aron is he's being held on a very high pedestal by retail investors right now. And as such, I believe that he has an extremely high, I guess, responsibility to those retail investors. And his responsibility is not to take their money from them and buy gold mining companies to help his buddy out who bailed him out at the beginning of the pandemic. His goal is not to raise money for other companies. His goal is to run AMC in the most efficient way possible. I understand that. But there's a lot of people who look to Adam Aron as a short squeeze king or a catalyst or somebody who's going to lead you through the short squeeze. And honestly, it hits me the wrong way to see Adam Aron talk about AMC Entertainment's skill set as being able to dilute shareholders and raise capital. And in the same sentence, saying that, it's not certain who went out there and bought shares of Hycroft Mining. It was most likely retail investors who came to save the day once again. How many more times do we have to save the day? You know, I know you guys can feel it. Do you have, the kids are calling it dry powder, do you have thousands of dollars set aside that you can continue buying and buying and buying and bailing another company out? What happens when Highcraft Mining's friend, you know, they can't sell apples or something and they need to go in their, we need to buy more apples for them so they can cover their debt? You understand what I'm saying here? It's not about saving all of these companies. They can do that if they're able to generate their own revenue. These are not people who are on their last, I guess, string and waiting to be held up by retail investors. These are multi-millionaire CEOs who have Harvard degrees and decades of experience. They're fine on their own. And I say that with the most passion and the most compassion as possible because they're fine on their own. We do not need to flip their bills any longer. And I have a very strong feeling that Adam Aron is going to use Highcraft Mining as an example of how good dilution can be and how good equity raises can be. You know, he mentioned in his earnings report that AMC would be facing liquidity issues if they weren't able to double revenue and if they weren't able to raise additional capital. There's possible restructuring down the road. We're looking at Highcraft Mining right now. The price is doing very well, yes, but that's on the fact that they're standing for another day. They can live to dig another day. And AMC is not at that point. AMC is not facing bankruptcy right now. AMC is facing an identity crisis where AMC has to determine whether or not AMC is a movie theater company or whether AMC is a bank and an equity catalyst to go out there and raise capital through equity issuance. I think AMC Entertainment is a movie theater company. I think that Adam Aron has done a very good job getting this movie theater company through the pandemic. But I also think that you and I, the retail investor who are buying shares in these companies that are on the brink of disaster to save them, I don't think that's why we came here. I think we came here for a short squeeze. And I think along the way, we've got lost in all of the financial responsibility and the financial clarity and transparency and the financial, I guess, system and how corrupt it is that we've lost our way a little bit and we need to get back on track. We buy AMC, we hold AMC, and we squeeze AMC. We don't buy AMC and bail AMC out. We don't buy Highcraft and bail Highcraft out. We don't go along down the line and make sure all of these millionaires stay millionaires. We squeeze. To me, it's simple. That's because my focus is on a short squeeze. My focus isn't on reaching out and making sure all of these millionaires stay millionaires. My focus is on watching you guys become millionaires, on watching all of the retail investors who have something invested, the blood, sweat, tears, their savings accounts, their money, their paychecks going into AMC for a better future. That is why I'm here. Guys, it's tough. It's tough for me to watch, and I need to keep my focus on the short squeeze. I get it, but I'm done bailing millionaires out. I don't think that they need that. I think they're fine on their own, and I think that retail deserves a short squeeze. It doesn't deserve to bail another company out. I mean, plain and simple. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. I know it's a little bit more of an aggressive tone, but I'm feeling aggressive right now because I see what's going on, and it's not conducive to a short squeeze. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you guys think? Are you ready for a short squeeze? Or, hey, man, you guys feeling generous and feel like donating to another millionaire? Let us know down there if that button's still red. Make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, GeminiCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.